Santa here, and listen, I'm going to tell you the gift she really wants this year. A Wardcraft home. Trust me, I've seen the list. The laundry rooms? So big I could run an elf assembly line and still have space to fold my red suits. Wardcraft has pre-designed inventory homes for sale and currently being built by their own elves, who actually follow blueprints. Wish we had that kind of quality control at the North Pole. And those quartz countertops, smooth enough for a cookie sliding tournament. The elves keep begging for a rematch. So if you want a home that stays warm and cozy, not freezing like my sleigh at 30,000 feet, you choose the plan, they work their magic, and your home ends up looking fantastic. Now, if you'll excuse me, all this talk of quartz just reminded me it's cookie o'clock.
Wardcraft Homes. North Pole tested. Kansas and Nebraska approved. 1-888-WARDCRAFT or wardcraft.com.